Hi students, how are you all? Hope all are fine. In previous class, we started lesson 3 in science, Save the Environment, isn't it? Right? What is environment? It is the things around us, both living and non-living things. Next, what we saw, just a recap of the previous slide, okay? Next, we saw the definition for pollute. What does the word pollute means? It means making the environment dirty. It means making the environment dirty. What are the different types of pollution? We saw. How many are there? Pollutions are of 4 types. Very good. Pollution are 4 types. What are the different types of pollution? Air, water, isn't it? Air, water, land pollution and noise pollution. These are the 4 types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. Last video we saw air pollution and water pollution in detail. Today we are going to see about land pollution and noise pollution. Land pollution. First we move on to land pollution. Land is one of the most important resources, isn't it? Land is one of the most important resources available to us. We use land to grow crops. What are the different uses of land? We are using land to grow crops. First, grow crops. Lands are used to grow crops. Second one, to construct buildings and factories. Construct buildings and factories, isn't it? To construct buildings and factories. What are the things which pollutes land? Land is being polluted, no? What are the 3 points which pollutes land? First one is throwing the garbage in the open area. When the garbage is being thrown in the open area, the land is being polluted. Yes, isn't it? Then second one, dumping of waste by the factories. The factories' waste are being dumped and thrown into the land. Then the land is being, the soil is being polluted. Third point, using chemical fertilizers in the fields. By using chemical fertilizers in the fields, the lands are being polluted. These are the 3 things which are being polluted by land. What are they? First one, what you saw? Throwing the garbage in the open area. First one, throwing garbage in open area, throwing the waste in an open area. First point. Second point, how does pollutes land? Dumping of waste by factories. Dumping of waste by factories. Then using chemical fertilizers. Using chemical fertilizers, the land is being polluted. Okay, next. What we can do or how we can avoid the pollution? First, you had to plant more trees. You had to plant more trees so that the surroundings, the environment is being rich in atmosphere air. Second one is throwing the waste in the dustbins. You should not throw the waste in wherever the place is, but only in the dustbin. It should be thrown only in the dustbin. Third one, use natural manure to improve the soil. Okay. Next, moving on to the noise pollution. Noise pollution. We hear noise. Noise is nothing but sounds. Okay, sounds, noise, unwanted sounds is called noise, which are disturbing others. That is noise. Noise pollution. We hear various sounds all around us. Among the sounds that we hear every day, only few are pleasant. Pleasant means few can be heard and few are pleasant to our eyes. Sound which is not pleasant to our ears are called noise. Sound which is not pleasant to our ears are called noise. Too much noise causes noise pollution. It can damage our hearing also. What are the causes? What are the causes for noise pollution? There are 3 points in it. Causes. First one, listening to music or watching television on a high volume. Listening to causes. These are the causes. First cause is listening to music in high volume sound. First one, listening to music in a high volume, on a high volume. Then second one is honking of vehicles. Honking of vehicles. Second one. Okay. Second one is honking of vehicles. Third one is bursting of firecrackers. Third one is bursting of firecrackers. These are the causes. Causes, what do you say? Listening to music in a high volume, honking of vehicles, and bursting of firecrackers. These are the 3 causes of noise pollution. What we can do? How can we avoid the noise pollution? First one, listen to a music on a low volume, keeping the volume low. You can listen to it. Second one is avoid unnecessary honking. Third one, you have to plant trees as much as they absorb sounds. If trees are planted, the trees can absorb the sound. So plant more trees. Okay, that's it. That's it, students. Today's recap. What we saw different types of pollution. In the previous session, we saw air pollution and water pollution. Today we saw noise pollution and the land pollution. Land is one of the important resources available to us, and now we use land to grow crops, isn't it? What pollutes land? There are 3 points in it. Throwing of the garbage, throwing of the waste in the open area, first one. Second point is dumping of waste by the factories or industries. Okay. And third point is using chemical fertilizers in the fields. Okay. How can we avoid land pollution? By planting more trees. There are 3 points in it. First one, planting more trees. Then second point is throwing the waste in the dustbins. And third point is using natural manure. Avoid chemical manure and use natural manure to improve the soil. Next, moving on to the noise pollution. So, what is noise pollution? The sound that we are not pleasant to our ears. That means sound which is not pleasant to our ears is called noise. Too much noise causes noise pollution. Okay, how can you avoid, what we can do to control the noise pollution? Listen to the music with a low voice, avoid unnecessary honking, and you can plant trees as they absorb so much, absorb sounds. Okay, that's it for today, children, and please go through the lessons and study your lessons daily. Okay, for your assignment I have attached spelling words and question answers. Please learn it. And homework, learn page number in your social book, learn page number 21, true or false, and page 23, fill-ups. Okay, homework is page number 21, true or false, and page number 23, fill-ups. And I'll attach the spellings and question answers, and write the spellings 5 times. Okay, test will be given soon. Thank you, children.